We're making our favorite recipe, our gluten-free, dairy-free banana bread. And it is, I mean, she's incredible.
Excuse me, Miss Crazy. People is life. Yeah. Are you finally settling down? Good morning. Good girl.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a What I Eat in a Day. You guys just saw a little bit of my morning movement for the day. I went on a run with Lulu. We had the best time. We always have the best time on our runs. And then I did some abs, which Lulu joined me for. And now I'm actually in my new kitchen. It's the first video I'm filming in here. It's not 100% done, but it's done to the point where I can cook, and that's all I care about because I've been cooking out of a garage for the past month, and that has been taxing. And it was actually fine, you know, it worked out, but by the end I was getting a little frustrated because I was like inching around the car, like trying to cut, you know, it's just a lot. And obviously a lot of my job happens in the kitchen. So we are going to make some breakfast this morning. Right now I'm on an empty stomach, and this is when I usually take my probiotic, my greens, and right now I'm taking some glutamine powder for my gut health. So I'm gonna take all those supplements and then we're gonna cook. Okay, before I get started, I just wanted to show you how awesome the new kitchen's looking. This stone is called silver travertine, and I'm obsessed. It has this super like organic linear pattern on it. Obviously not 100% done, but we got a new stovetop. It's like chef grade. Greg really wanted it. There's everything we need for our breakfast. New painted cabinets. Actually, these are the same cabinets, we just painted them. This area still needs to be plastered so that it matches the rest of the house. And this is gonna be plastered as well. I'm just like so obsessed. We have this stone shelf with the LED light underneath, new sconces, a new sink. We actually were able to increase the size of the sink because the sink was so small before. We were able to get a few more inches on each side and go a bit deeper. And I just think it looks amazing. Let's make some breakfast. First things first, having my greens. I used coconut today, but honestly, I love all the flavors and I'm more concerned with the benefits than anything else. So this is full of whole fruits and vegetables and prebiotics and probiotics, and I'm currently really focused on gut health. So I'm actually taking 2 of these a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Okay, so here's everything we need for breakfast today. Pretty simple. We're making 2 whole eggs with spinach, and then we're having some oatmeal. Those are the oats I use, with some hemp seeds and berries. I'm excited. Okay guys, breakfast is ready. 2 whole eggs with spinach and half a cup of oats with a sprinkle of hemp seeds, some raspberries and blueberries. Okay guys, I'm officially ready for the day. It is 9 a.m. Fee just got here and we're gonna start working. We have a bunch going on today. We have an event, have some meetings, so we're gonna get working. I'm gonna have a snack. My eating times are pretty like regimented, so I already have my breakfast, which you guys saw, and then my next snack will be around 11 a.m. So I'll check in with you guys then and see what we end up eating. Okay guys, I lied in my last clip. I was gonna eat at 11, but I'm already kind of hungry, so we're gonna eat now. I actually made some protein bowls. Me and Fee made protein bowls for a recipe, and I still have some in the fridge. So I'm gonna have one of these guys. So these are made with almond butter, oat flour, honey, Bloom collagen, coconut flakes, flax seeds. So I'm gonna have one of these guys. Okay guys, it is lunchtime. I've been doing a bunch of work and we're headed to a wellness event soon with Therabody in Brentwood, which will be fun. I'm actually eating this leftover salad I have in the fridge from yesterday. It has chicken, hard-boiled eggs, beans, Kalamata olives, beets. I tried to get way more vegetables because that's something that I need to work on in my diet in general. I need more fiber. So I'm actually gonna sit outside and eat this because Greg just called me and he's like, have you been outside today? And I was like, honestly, no. And he was like, it's beautiful. And now I'm like, wait, whoa. I mean, it is like beautiful outside. So I'm gonna eat my lunch out here in the sun. I should also mention that salad was from Alfalfa, which I've never tried before, and it was very, very good. So if you live in LA, you should try it. Or if you live elsewhere, I don't know if they have it elsewhere, but yeah, it was good. Here's everything that I got in the salad, if you're wondering, especially since I'm focused on gut health right now. Okay guys, leaving Erewhon, got my smoothie and it tastes so good. Yum. Okay guys, so this is my Erewhon smoothie. I did a custom smoothie. I got almond milk, the milk that I actually drink at home, strawberry, banana, mango, spinach, collagen, chia seeds. Very good, very good. Okay, talk to you soon. Okay, oh, I need a new battery in my camera. Okay, as you guys just saw, I filmed a little matcha tutorial. This is an iced matcha with almond milk. It is freaking delicious and the perfect energy for afternoon. It's like around 3 p.m. right now and I'm definitely like not wanting a coffee or something that's gonna keep me up. This is the perfect soft launch energy and it's amazing. And of course, it's my product. So crazy. This is Mari's matcha, my first ever collab with Bloom. You guys know about it if you watched my last video. I've always wanted to create a matcha. Like for 3 years, I've been begging Greg, please let me make a matcha. And finally we were able to make it at the quality that I wanted. It was very expensive to make, but we were able to price it affordably for you guys. Anyway, I am so freaking excited for you guys to try this. The packaging is so cute. It looks so cute on your counter. Just realized that this video is literally going up on launch day. So link is in the description box if you want to buy Mari's matcha. Hello guys. It is 6:55 p.m. Oop. It is the evening. I'm winding down. I actually just got out of the sauna. We recently got a sauna, which is such a dream. And I just went in for like 20 minutes, jumped in the pool, took a shower. Now I'm making a very easy peasy kind of lazy vibe dinner. I have this piece of salmon left over from Erewhon. I have this cucumber salad with avocado and I have white rice and we're gonna put it all together and that's gonna be the dinner. Yeah, that's the vibe I'm on right now. So let me kind of assemble this and then I think I actually may make some brownies. I got sent a package by one of my favorite wellness brands at the moment, Eat Dough. It's like really good edible cookie dough that you can also bake. And I just got their new brownie batter one. And I think I might make like some little brownies for Greg and I. Actually, let me preheat the oven now. That just sounds like a vibe. Let's put this dinner together. A couple of my favorite sauces to add to things. This is tamari. It's gluten-free, basically soy sauce, but I just put way too much of that. That is annoying. We're gonna just leave that. And then some sriracha for a little spice. And then one of my fave ingredients, some green onion. I know that's random, but I just really love that on any dish. I think it's so good. I'm a big onion gal. Let's eat. I love that I'm having this little dinner by myself because Greg's at a work thing. Here's the final result. I put it in a very small bowl, but there's rice under there. Salad, salmon, and then my favorite, Zevia. It's like a fake Coke and I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna eat this and bake those little Eat Dough brownies I showed you. Now I'm gonna insert a recipe that you need to try. It is my gluten-free, dairy-free banana bread. V and I made it. We filmed it for you guys. If you're looking for a good dessert, you should do that. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I think we're already in the midst of a vlog right now, but Fee and I are about to bake probably our favorite recipe that we've ever made on Mari and Fee's kitchen. Hashtag RIP Mari and Fee's kitchen, because my kitchen is under construction. So we're actually at a peer space rental today because we wanted to bake some things for you guys, and we've just been missing kitchen life in general. So we're making our favorite recipe, our gluten-free, dairy-free banana bread. And it is, I mean, she's incredible. And I wanted to show you guys the recipe. If you're on a fitness journey and you're looking for something sweet and something healthy at the same time, this is the recipe for you. This recipe is not all that difficult and it's amazing. It is really worth it, and you can keep the loaf like in your house. Your family can eat it. You could bring it to your office. It's truly one of the best recipes I've ever tried. So let's hop into it. Also, one sec. So we're actually using the Hue Kitchen baking chips today, which are new and they're only available on their website. This is not a paid ad, but I am working with them on Instagram, and Hue Kitchen is my literal favorite chocolate. I eat it every single night, so I'm pumped about these. They're sweetened with dates and they have only 4 ingredients in them, so this is perfect for the recipe. If you do want to order these, they're only online and you can use code MARI for 20% off. I'll put that in the description box. Let's make some banana bread. Also, do you like my cute little yellow sweat set? It's so happy. It's from Heavy Manners. I'll link that in the description box too. We're gonna make banana bread now. Okay, let's bake banana bread. So first step, preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Make sure there's nothing in there. Some people hide all their money in their oven. I've seen that in movies.
It's just you.
My mom used to hide treats from me and my brother when we were little because we were little chunky, and she would hide things in the oven and in like pots.
You couldn't find that?
No, she would hide it.
Oh my God. What's next?
We're gonna line our loaf pan with parchment paper.
Okay, so that's done. 3 bananas, mash them up, but not fully. Like having some chunks is actually a good thing.
While she's mashing that, I'm gonna start working on the wet ingredients. So then in a separate bowl, I'm gonna whisk together coconut oil, honey, eggs, and vanilla extract. Okay. So Mari is peeling the bananas, 3 ripe bananas. Usually the riper the better, makes them sweeter.
Yeah, these could be a little riper, but we didn't, you know.
That one was. The other ones were pretty good, I think. So we threw 3 ripe bananas in a bowl, and Mari's gonna mash them up.
Mari mash monster.
Mari mash. Okay.
Mari mash.
I'm gonna put coconut oil, honey, eggs, and vanilla in here. 1/3 cup of coconut oil or butter. We use coconut oil because we
dairy-free
don't
cuties.
Like lactose.
I don't think there's lactose in butter.
Oh.
What is milk?
Dairy. It's still dairy.
Yeah, we don't eat dairy.
Okay, so we're gonna melt 1/3 cup of coconut oil. So there's no microwave. So
we're melting the coconut oil in the oven.
Hopefully that's not a bad idea.
Me and Fee are the epitome of like, have you guys seen the White Chicks movie? That's us.
You just gotta make it work, you know?
I'm almost done mashing. I wanna leave it a little chunky because nothing's better than a little chunky banana bite.
Grab the coconut oil in a second.
Ooh, nice.
That smells so good.
The bananas?
Oh, this is about to be so fire.
This is the consistency of the mashed banana. Definitely some chunks in there, but it's pretty liquidy. Now what?
Vanilla extract. I'm just gonna grab the coconut oil and hopefully not burn my hands.
Now we're adding our dry ingredients. First, our almond flour. So obviously this is gluten-free.
Made a mess.
On my Birkenstocks.
You said that's what cooking's about. She just said about getting messy.
That's until it's on my Birks. Cinnamon in banana bread is crucial, in my opinion, as are the walnuts. Unless you don't like walnuts, then you can get the frick out of this video, because we like walnuts.
We love walnuts.
Just kidding, you could just not put them. So. Just added our chocolate chips. I had a few of them as a snack. I added so many chocolate chips in here, guys, you can't even tell, but I put pretty much the entire bag. So this is about to be a chocolatey banana bread.
We lightly grease the pan as well, even though we're using parchment paper.
I put so many chocolate chips.
This is a chocolate chip bread with some banana in it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Most important part, test the batter. Yep, it's good to go.
I don't really like to eat batter like that.
Says no one. So we're gonna put this in for 50 minutes, but 10 minutes before that, we're gonna add some walnuts on top. See ya, bye. Okay guys, the banana bread should be done.
Careful. I use a paper towel.
Hey guys. Wow. I mean, it's a loaf. It smells incredible. Are you getting that? Look at that loaf. Okay guys, we're gonna take a bite. It definitely came out a little too moist. That was our bad. We're not used to using this oven. But we're gonna try one of these slices right now. Cheers. It's crazy that that's gluten-free, dairy-free. Like, that's so good.
That tastes freaking ridiculous.
How is it so good? 10 out of 10. You guys need to try this. Oh my God. Even though it's undercooked, it's so good. I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys how freaking cute my little brownies are. Brownie cookies. Good night.